Hi students, today I am going to explain chemical properties of carboxylic acids. Chemical properties. Chemical properties of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. Chemical properties of carboxylic acids. First one, reaction due to cleavage of. Reaction due to cleavage of CO bond. CO bond. Okay, it is very important reaction, my dear students. Reaction due to cleavage of CO bond. That is first one. See here, it is a Fischer esterification. Fischer esterification. It is very important reaction, my dear students. Suppose I'll take it is a R C double bond O and OH. It is lone pair. Okay, two lone pairs are there. Each oxygen contains two lone pairs. Plus R dash. It is a OH. Okay, I'll write reverse manner. C. It is a OH. Next one. It is a R dash. Very important, my dear students. It is a, see here, bond. It is lone pair and lone pair. Gives rise to, it is a both forward and backward reaction in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid can act as a dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent. It is very important, my dear students. Dehydrating agent. What happened here? Okay. So what is the main thing here is a reaction due to cleavage of CO bond. Okay. So here bond cleavages. Okay. Next one. Here bond cleavages. These are combines. Okay. These are combines. Okay. You get it is a water is formed. Okay. This oxygen attacking here only. That is a R C double bond O. C double bond O and O. It is R dash. Lone pair, lone pair, lone pair, lone pair. It is ester. Ester is formed. Along with the water also formed. It is a minus H2O. This is the general equation. Suppose I take this one. It is a one example. CH3 C double bond O. It is O. It is H. Lone pair, lone pair, lone pair, lone pair. Okay. Plus ethyl alcohol, that is a OH, it is a CH3, it is methyl alcohol, my dear students. See here bond breaking, okay, here bond breaking. These two are combines, gives rise to minus H2O, same condition. Okay, so it is a both forward and backward reaction takes place. These two are combines, that is a CH3, C double bond O and O CH3. It is ester. What is the name of this ester? It is a methyl group. It is a methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. Okay, it is very important. This is methyl. Here two carbons are there. It is a methyl ethanoate. My dear students, this is for the preparation of it is a it is a esters. So Fischer esterification. Now I discuss with the mechanism. It is very important, my dear students. Okay, mechanism. This is very important to my dear students. In mechanism, it is a what happened here. It is a or C double bond O. Okay, I'll write down. It is a or C double bond O, it is a OH. OH. It is very important, my dear students. You people are concentrating this one. It is very important. See all of you. Now it is a H plus. Okay, it is a this one. See all of you. It is a H plus. From acidic medium, it is H plus. See here, this one. It contains lone pair, here lone pair, lone pair, and lone pair. See here, this H plus attacking here only. You will get okay. What happened here? It is a or C double bond O. Okay, O lone pair. It is a plus and a H. Is very important. One of the lone pair electrons involved in the bond formation. Next one, it is a O. It is lone pair. It is H. It is very important, my dear students. Next, so it is initially okay. It is a R dash. It is a OH. It gives rise to what happened here. So it is a this okay. So here bond breaking. It is a RO minus is there. RO minus. So it is R dash O minus. R dash O minus means it is releasing. It is a H plus. These two electrons are gained by oxide. That's why this one it is a minus H plus. See here. It is very important, my dear students. It is a O minus. It is a R dash. O minus R dash. Okay. So these two electrons are shifting here. Okay. These electrons are shifting here. Then what happened here? It is a positive charge is formed. Okay. So here bond forming. See, my dear students. Now I write down. It is a C. It is a R. C. It is O. It is bond is shifting. It is a H. Lone pair and lone pair. It is very important, my dear students. Next one. It is a okay. It is a O and H. It is lone pair. It is lone pair. Next one. It is a okay. So this one it is a O and R dash. O and R dash. Up to here, I hope all the students are understood this one. Next one, what happened here? It is a one here. One H plus is there. Okay. So this H plus is attacking. Okay, is attacking here only. This H plus attacking here. Okay. What happened here? Gives rise to. See all of you. There is R. C. It is lone pair. It is a H. Next one. It is a O. It is R dash. Next is O. It is a plus. Okay, plus. Then it is a H. Okay, gives rise to. What happened here? It is very important. This H plus attacking here only. Bond is formed. Okay, sorry. Here also one more bond is formed here. It is this one. It is very important. Okay, so this it is a these two electrons are gained by this one. It is minus H2O. Water molecule is eliminated. Next one, these electrons are shifting to here. It is eliminated as a H plus. Then it is a what is the compound, my dear students? See here. It is R C double bond O and O. It is R. Minus H2O and along with it is a minus H plus is eliminated. This is the this is the mechanism of it is a Fischer esterification reaction. I told clearly the bond break in between carbon and oxygen. You have to see here only bond breaking. Okay, once again I'll explain, my dear students. See all of you. It is a okay. This one. It is very important. This is the carboxylic acid. Okay, so H plus attacking here only. It contains two lone pairs. H plus attacking here. Any one of the lone pair involved in the bond formation. Next it is a RCO. Okay, double bond lone pair, and the oxygen acquires with a positive charge. What happened here? It is oxygen is more electronegative. It is a positive charge is there. These two electrons are shifting here. Immediately carbon acquires this a. Okay, so you people are having doubt. Sir, here also oxygen is there, but here also oxygen is there. But here oxygen is a positive charge is there. These two electrons are shifting to oxygen. Okay, so then it acquires positive charge. Already it is a R dash OH. It is ethyl alcohol. It loses H plus ions to form ethoxide ion. It is a alkoxide ion. Alkoxide ion attacking here only. Okay, you will get this compound. It is very important. That is a R. See here, it is a R CO, and this one is shifting. This one oxygen here only. So in above the reaction, H plus is there. This H plus attacking here only. So because of oxygen contains, it is a two lone pairs. Okay, this is the compound. Next one, what happened here? These two electrons are gained by oxygen. It is eliminated as a water molecule. Then it is this electrons are shifting to here. Pi bond in between oxygen and carbon. It is eliminated as a H plus. It is a H plus. So in this mechanism, okay, so it is H plus entering one reaction and leaving back is another reaction. Finally, you will get this ester. This is for this cleavage of CO bond, especially for this Fischer esterification. Okay, that's all. Next one, my dear students. Next property. It is a Fischer esterification. Next one. Okay, my dear students, next one, this is a with NH3 with ammonia, with NH3. See here, my dear students, with NH3, that is a or COH plus it is a NH3. Okay, this one gives rise to what happened here? It is a or COO NH4 plus COO NH4 plus CH3COO minus. It is a salt is formed. Ammonium is ammonium salt. It is a ammonium salt is formed. Okay, it is a ammonium salt. It is very, very important, my dear students. Then heating, what happened here? Then heating, okay, it is minus H2O. It is a R C double bond O and NH2. This is a amide is formed. Amide. Very important, my dear students. Okay, so this is for general equation. Suppose I'll take this example. Okay, example is how to see here. CH3 C double bond O and OH. It is react with the NH3. Okay, it is a lone pair to form. Okay, what is the compound, my dear students? CH3COO and NH4 plus. It is minus. It is a ammonium acetate. It is ammonium. Okay, ammonium. It is a acetate only. On heating, what happened here? Minus H2O. Water is eliminated to form. It is a CH3 C double bond O and NH2. It is a ethanamide. It is a ETH ethanamide. It is ethanamide is formed or acetamide is formed. This is for the preparation of it is a it is a property of acetic acid or preparation of it is a amides. This is very important, my dear students. Not only for this one. Suppose it is a aliphatic acid. Suppose if you take this aromatic also. Aromatic acid, see all of you, aromatic acid, suppose, see here, it is a benzene, very important, my dear students, plus it is a NH3, it is a lone pair, gives rise to, okay, this one, it is benzene, COO, it is NH4 plus, it is minus, it is a ammonium benzoate, ammonium, it is a benzoate. It is very important, my dear students. Ammonium benzoate. Okay, on heating, what happened here? On heating, so it is a minus H2O. Okay, this one, it is a this one, it is a C double bond O and NH2. It is a benzamide. It is a benzamide is formed. It is a aromatic amides. Suppose this is a benzoic acid. This is a benzoic acid. Next one, I'll take one more example. See all of you, my dear students. This is very very important. It is a COOH. It is a COOH. It is a monocarboxylic acid. It is the dicarboxylic acid. This name is a phthalic acid. T silent. Phthalic acid. Okay. Same. It is reacting to NH3. Gives rise to what happened here. So to form this one only, it is very important, my dear students. COO, it is NH4. Okay, next one, it is a COO, it is a NH4. It is a salt. Okay, it is a minus N plus, minus N plus. On heating, okay, see here, on heating, what happened here? Minus H2O. On heating, minus H2O is eliminated. Next one, see there, this compound is formed. It is very very important, my dear students. Okay, I hope it is a not visible there. Okay, I'll write that it is a top only. Okay, see here. This one, it is very very important, my dear students. Okay, this one. This compound is very important. On heating, minus H2O is eliminated. Next one, this is formed. It is a C double bond O and NH2. Okay, next one. It is C double bond O, it is NH2. Okay, amide is formed. On strong heating, what happened here? On strong heating, okay. So minus NH3, my ammonia gas is eliminated. What is the name of this compound? It is very very important. Phthalimide. Phthalimide. It is a phthalimide. Don't confuse, my dear students. That is phthalimide. On strong heating, what happened here? This compound is formed. That is see all of you, C double bond O and the C double bond O. It is a NH. It is a phthalimide. Okay, it is a phthalimide. It is very important, my dear students. It is phthalimide. You people remember this one. We have to use next chapter. It is an amines. Preparation of amides. We have to use this one. It is the phthalimide. Once again, my dear students, phthalic is acid react with ammonia to form salts. On heating, water is eliminated to form. It is a amide. Amide on strong heating to eliminate. It is a NH3 gas. Finally, to form. It is a phthalimide is formed. Okay. It is very very important topic, I think. Okay. So this one. Next one, my dear students. What is the mechanism of this reaction? It is very very important, my dear students. Mechanism. Okay, this reaction mechanism. See here. Okay, mechanism, my dear students. Okay, NH3. That is a or okay. Otherwise, I'll take this one. CH3, C double bond O. It is lone pair and lone pair. It is lone pair and lone pair. It is H. Okay, NH3 plus it is a NH3. It is lone pair. Gives rise to what happened here? These electrons are shifting here only. Okay, it acquires positive charge. These electrons are involved in bond formation in between nitrogen and this one. That is a CH3. It is very important, my dear students. C. It is O, lone pair, lone pair, lone pair. It is a minus. Next one. See there. It is a O, lone pair, lone pair, lone pair. Next one. See here. It is a nitrogen. Okay. It is a plus because of nitrogen lose electrons NH3, hydrogen. Okay, next one, hydrogen and hydrogen. It is very very important, my dear students. See all of you. Next one, what happened here? It is a C. Down and right. See there. Okay, so here these two electrons are shifting here only. Okay, it is eliminated as a H plus. Next one, this H plus attacking. Okay, this is a H plus. Next one, this H plus attacking here only. The bond formed between oxygen and hydrogen. It is very important. That is CH3, C. It is O, lone pair, lone pair, lone pair, it is a minus. Next one, it is a NH2. NH2. Next, it is a oxygen. See here, oxygen. Okay, positive charge, hydrogen and hydrogen. Because of one lone pair involved in the bond formation, what happened next to this? It is a ratio. So these two electrons are gained by oxygen. It is eliminated as a water molecule. It is H2O. Immediately these electrons are shifting here only to form, it is a CH3, C double bond O and NH2. This is the amide. Okay, especially it is a ethanamide. This is the mechanism of it is a this one. Once again, my dear students, see all of you. It is a carboxylic acid. These two electrons are shifting here only. It is a carbon aqueous positive charge, ammonia molecule attacking here only. Then this compound is formed CH3, C O lone pair, okay, 3 lone pairs and minus charge, and here is a N plus 3 hydrogens are there. Okay, so one lone pair, okay, this bond is shifting to nitrogen to disappear in the positive charge. It is attacking here only to form this one. After that, what happened here? I told what is the main this one? Reaction due to cleavage of CO bond. This bond is cleavages. These two electrons are gained by oxygen, so it is eliminated as a water molecule. Finally, to form it is a amides. It is very important, my dear students. Okay, next one. I hope is all the students are understood this one. Okay, next one is a in cleavage of CO bond. Okay, with sorry, my dear students, see here it is a with PCl5 with PCl5 PCl3 SOCl2. It is very important, students. Same, it is a reaction due to the cleavage of CO bond, that is a PCl5, PCl3 and SOCl2. Phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride, it is a thionyl chloride. It is very important, my dear students. Very simple. Or C double bond O, it is a O, it is H plus PCl5 gives rise to what happened here? Here bond breaking. This place is occupied by Cl, that is a R. C double bond O, it is Cl plus it is a POCl3. It is a POCl3 plus it is a HCl. It is very important. Similarly, or C double bond O, it is a O, it is a H, it is a PCl3. Same thing. Here bond breaking. OH place is occupied by. It is a R, C double bond O, it is Cl plus it is a H3PO3, H3PO3. Okay, next one, see here, it is a R, C double bond O, it is O, it is H plus, here bond breaking, it is a SOCl2, it is a thionyl chloride, it is a thionyl chloride, it is very important compound, my students. Thionyl chloride. What happened here? It is a R, C double bond O and Cl plus SO2 gas and the HCl gas. We have to verify it is a 3 reactions. This is the best method for the preparation of acyl halides. It is a acyl. Okay, acyl chlorides. Acyl chlorides. It is the best method because of two byproducts are gaseous products. So finally you will get it is a good yield of it is a acyl halides. Okay, I hope all the students are understood this one. This is for the reaction due to the cleavage of CO bond.